Hello guys and welcome back to onDashcam channel, a channel featuring only the best road moments caught on camera, and we'll start today's episode off with a kind biker who decided to help out a person in need. Check this one out.
You alright there? Do you want help? Shall we see if we can get it up? Is it? I'll get you a push. There you go. Alright.
Camera angle makes this look further than it actually is, but the driver who cut the camera off was really too close, especially for the road conditions.
Way too close for the rain. Idiot.
The lines on the road are difficult to see because of the night time and the rain, and if you add high beams to that, well, it's almost impossible to notice anything on the road.
Your high beams are on. Stupid fool.
Do not give. And again, this is what I was trying to say before about you being a Canadian professor. It's like
He is in the intersection. What a dunce.
It's not that only this road driver pulled out in front of the camera, but he sure took his sweet time in accelerating. The speed limit is 45 here, but he was doing way below that.
Jesus. Jesus Christmas.
I'm
He's
surprised
gonna go.
he went.
Of course he's gonna go. That's what you
He
do.
was dawdling.
Relax already.
Try yourself.
This is not okay. This needs to stop now.
On the phone. Yep. Doesn't understand the guy on the right has the right of way. But whatever. Yeah, that looks legal.
Someone tell this driver that he has indicators on his vehicle as soon as possible, because if he keeps up like this, he'll cause an accident for sure.
A tough guy without the indicators.
Yeah. They just don't indicate over here. Yeah.
They like that kind of color.
Yeah. Oh man, that was close.
say a command.
Say video. Dumbass just goes right.
Pay attention at the truck driver in front of the camera here. He was waiting on the green light for way too long, and when the camera honked at him, he noticed what was going on and kept moving. Apparently, he was texting and driving.
He's at the wheel.
No, he was texting, for sure.
Oh, absolutely.
Cmeron was just minding his own business and driving around when all of a sudden this crazy pedestrian appeared and did this.
Turn right.
And we're at the RV.
At the light, turn right onto Northwest Grand Avenue.
And with this video, we conclude another amazing episode on onDashcam channel. I hope you guys enjoyed watching and learning something valuable out of all the mistakes you saw, because that's the purpose of this channel after all. And if you truly like this type of content, make sure to leave a like, because we would really appreciate it. While you're at it, subscribe and click on the bell button to stay notified with all our latest content. And until the next episode, drive safe and watch out for these crazy drivers on the road.